Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I want to introduce to you a website called Google Trends. So this site can be used to identify various trends that is happening across the world on a real-time basis. So you see here the site is directly powered from Google search. So here if you go to the trends, you can see the various current trends that is happening right now in India. So people are searching for these things. So if you just go down, you can see real-time search trends. So there are people searching for Netflix stock. They're searching for Subhash Chandra Bose and Prime Minister India because there is a statue that is coming up in India. So they are searching for Netherlands national cricket team. So if you see another country like, let's say, um, United Kingdom. So what's happening in United Kingdom in the past 24 hours? So if you just want to know that, they're searching for Putin. They're searching for Glasgow accident. They're searching for um, Bitcoin, horse racing. So let's go to United States of America. So everyone is searching for Netflix stock. I don't know what is wrong with Netflix. So you can see various trends there. If you go back, you can see daily search trends, and you can see geographically how these trends vary across the region. So interest by sub-region, interest by region. So World Cup football competition. So let's say search a term or topic. So let's search for Omicron. How is it varying? So you see here uh, November 28 to December 2021. So the interest. This is interest over time. The number represents interest related to the highest point on chart for the given region and time. A chart value of 100 is the peak popularity for the term. So if you see here, now around November 20th to December 4th is when it got a peak, right? That is how it shows. So from which region you are getting the most number of search and how it is varying. That is what has been shown. So if I move that to past day, let's see how it varies. So Jammu and Kashmir is the one which I'm getting a highest number of interest. So these are the results that I get. Now I can use this to compare it with some other results. So let's see Bitcoin, how the trends have been varying over the past 90 days. So you see clearly there is a spike on November 24th. So this is all India. If I say worldwide, I can see how the Bitcoin trend was moving up. So around December 4th, it peaked out. So let's say, so this way you can identify various stocks, where you can identify various things in the market, and based on the interest, you can find out how it is varying. You see, this is the how Tata Motors. So if I look at something like Polkadot cryptocurrency, how the interest is varying in the past 90 days. This year on November 2021, it had a peak. November 2, it was on a peak, Polkadot. So let's go to coin market cap and see what was happening to Polkadot on November 2nd, right? So let's come here and say Polkadot on November 2nd. Maybe some event is happening on that day that made it go up on that particular day. So it's like, let's look at 3-month chart. November 2nd, is what we want to look at. So November 2nd, this is November 2nd. So around November 2nd, it was about to rise. So it was around 49.09, it was about to rise. So there might be some news during that time, the way it rose during that time. So if I look at Dogecoin, yep, Dogecoin, there was clearly a spike on October 28th. So let's see, October 28th. So October 28th. So everyone was talking about Dogecoin during that time. You see, around that time, the price was about to break out. So there is some event that was about to happen, and from then on, it just slid down. So in this way, you can identify various events, whether it's stock market, whether it's Dogecoin, whether it's cryptocurrency, various events that is happening in that particular country, and so many things can be understood just from the trends, that is Google Trends. I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.